I'm gonna see how long I can do this without help. Let me go to sink it.
You got the milk in the refrigerator, you know.
Oh my god. Oh. It peaks. It peaks at 6 minutes. That's the worst. Happens at 6 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god. It's just violent burn. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Who? Why did God make these? I can be anything. Just like every breath.
How bad is it? Oh my god. Oh god. I can't stand to see you doing this. Is it getting any better?
No, it's getting worse. It's like the back of my throat is the worst.
Oh.
Top of the tongue.
Need some crackers or something? To...
Give me ice.
Ice.